Is it an advantage to bowl as close to the pins as possible? We'll find out. Before we get started, I'd appreciate if you guys hit that sub button. Helps us out a lot. It's free for you. It's right there. Just smack that red button real quick and we'll get on with the video. Shout out to Cedar Ball here in Cedar City. Really appreciate them letting us come in and do some stupid stuff like this. Do not do this. Do not walk down the lane. We have a stripped lane with a camera and there's no oil down here, so all is good, but do not do this at home. I repeat, do not do this at home. I'm gonna bowl one game from right in front of the pins. I'm gonna throw my first shots two-handed, my second shots two-handed. Fortunately, I'm gonna have to go. Looks like Steve's gonna help us over there return our bowling ball. So we have a ball return to ball return, I guess. But here we go. I'm gonna keep my stats on PinPal just because the score's back there and I just wanna know. And I can't really see the pins. Nothing's off. I'm gonna get as close as I can. I mean, obviously I don't wanna get here where my father hits the mass unit and I may create damage, but I'm not really sure. There's no oil, so I don't know how much it's gonna hook. I don't know how straight I need to be. Oh! It's much louder here. It is crazy. Okay, we 4-pin the first shot. I can't see the pins, by the way. I can't see any of it. Here we go. Our ball is coming to us. It had a little bit of heat. It's crazy. You can hear the ball on the track come back. But shout out to Steve over there for getting our bowling ball so we don't have to walk all the way back. So yeah, 4-pin. Don't even need to look. I can hear it. Here we go. We start with the spare. Let's go. Aggressive. A whole production. A whole production. I almost feel like giving it more time to hook is better. Let me try some here. I'm gonna throw a little slower. It's hitting so bad because it's not going into the roll phase. I almost feel like it'd be better if I just threw my plastic ball. This thing's coming in hot. All right, here we go. 610 for sure. Yep, 610. Wait, can you see it through that crack? That's awesome. That sounded like 2. Is that good? 2? Huge. Huge. Oh my God. All right, we got 8 spare to start. How forward do we need to be? Where do we need to throw it? Do we need to throw it harder? Oh, that was awesome. 4-7, we'll take it. 4-7. Whoa! The oil on the ball slipped on my shoe. Okay, next, 4-7. We've got 4-7 here. I feel like I was a little further back than this. Clean through. Oh my God, help! Oh my God! Ah!
Hey, don't hurt us.
That was fast. That was so fast. Okay. All right, we're safe. Storm concept from right. Again, don't try this ever. If you're out there bowling with your friends, do not walk past that line. There's a line there for a reason. Don't pass it. Gary! Oh, we hit the pocket finally. Thank you for being a little nicer this time, Steve. Oh, that was cool. This is actually kind of fun. That sounded like a spare. Can we bowl 200? I think 200 would be a very good game from here. No oil pattern, it doesn't matter. This would be the closest thing to Olympic bowling I think there would be because there's no oil pattern, no additional variables. Maybe we gotta get a little straighter through a little more entry angle. No! Flat 7. Again, I appreciate Steve doing this. He doesn't have to do this, but he's helping us out a bunch. This is exactly what we need to do to get primed for the tour. At the time of filming, we're a week out from the tour. Okay, come on. That sounded aced. Yes. Okay, we're 5 frames in. We're clean. We're clean so far. I'm loving it. I would love a strike though. I do feel like backing up would help. Let's back up a little bit. Oh, baby, let's go. Light swish action. Come on, baby. No, screw that ball. I don't like that ball. Steve was holding up a house ball. I did bowl against him with a house ball. I don't know if that video is out yet or not, but if it is, check it out. If it's not, stay tuned. Yeah. Double opportunity here. Did we move back a little bit? We did? I'm gonna move my eyes in a little bit. I don't know if that's gonna help, but. Double! Come on! I don't know what it is about this place, but I get warm extremely fast. Could you imagine bowling 250 from in front of the pins? Because we're what? A panel's 15 feet, 8 feet? It's 8 feet-ish. We're about 8 feet away from the pins. We're about an average human away from the pins. Again, thanks to Cedar Bowl out here in Cedar City, Utah for allowing us to come in and do these dumb things. This is fun. I'm gonna move my eyes in just a touch more. Oh, that was lame. Oh, that was ace. Oh no, we have 244 left. But we could do this. We could do this. What should we call this? Short bowling? Hobbit bowling? But let me know what you guys think we should call this kind of bowling. Do you imagine opening a bowling center where it's only one panel? That'd be kind of fun. Also, concept, no oil on the ball. Fastest absorbing cover. This is not a bowling ball video. This is a gimmick, do, dumb thing video. What's happening? All right, we're guaranteed 200 now. That 4-bagger has guaranteed us. I can't see the pins, by the way. No pins, I can't. I'm just looking at a board and I'm just trying to hit what I'm looking at. But I'm finally lined up. Oh, you know what makes sense? This ball's not even touching oil, so that's why there's no oil on the ball. Duh. Silly, silly. All right. This is the norm pose, right? The norm pose. We're locked in for 230. Maybe bowling from right in front of the pins is easier. I'm sweating. I need my towel now. I'm just kidding. Now there's oil on the ball. We'll wipe the shirt off. If you guys are digging the threads, I don't know if this shirt's on the site yet, but EFX.co link is in the description below. Coupon code DATA for 10% off. Get yourself a Your Tang shirt or any of the other Darren Tang collection shirts. DATA 10% off. This is just so, I think it's fun because it's different. Unfortunately, I don't think most of you will be able to ever do this unless you find a bowling center that's he's flipping the
There you go, Mr. Tang.
Thanks, Steve. I appreciate you. All right, we need them all right here for 244. We've guaranteed ourselves a clean game. Is bowling in front of the pins easier? I mean, I might just be repeating shots like a monster, but this is pretty fun. Oh, that's 9 right there. So that's 243. Count it from about 8 feet away. 243. I can't believe we pulled 240. That's kind of nuts. From right, basically the last panel. But I had a lot of fun doing this. If I ever want to do this again, either I'm gonna have to open my own facility or come back here to Cedar Bowl here in Cedar City. Again, if you guys made it this far, thank you for watching. Please like, comment down below if you guys enjoyed this kind of content. We'll try to do some more ridiculous stuff. And of course, subscribe. Every 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're gonna give away a ball. I don't know when this is coming out, but I know as of filming, we just passed the 15,000 threshold, so 20,000, another ball. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.